Hello, this is Will from JourneyWallStreet.blogspot.com. I'm trying to do something a little different today, and I'm going to do a trade ideas post, but using video instead of my usual screenshots, just to see how much time and effort it takes. If this is more efficient than getting screenshots, posting those, and uploading those, etc., etc. So first of all, let's here DLR. So let's see, it was maybe a couple weeks ago where I had an idea where I was short against the EMAs as a feeler with a stop up here with a target down here, and it was pretty much spot on, and it pretty much happened the next day. But this might be an opportunity to get in short, another short somewhere here with maybe a cover above there, same target, and potentially breakout at below that target as well. So let me make this red since this is a short. Okay. Next is TRIP. Not too bad. Kind of a ascending triangle here. Whoops. Bit of a resistance area there. Maybe able to, kind of ugly, but maybe above 65 with above average volume would be a decent play. So something to keep an eye on. CHTR was another thing I was kind of looking at. You see here, it kind of based along here and then broke out, and then now it kind of based along there. It broke out a little, so that's another potential trade. OVTI, pretty nice. You have gap support down here. You have a clear 1950 level. So let me just set an alert because I really like this one. So what we want to see is above average volume above 1950. ACAD, this was something I was looking at here. It actually broke out, but I think I got involved on this day, but the price action just stopped me. It just shook me out. I couldn't hold it. Maybe I was going through other losses or whatever, but if I was able to hold the shares that I had, then this would have turned out to be a pretty nice trade. But it's kind of consolidating here, pulled back to the EMAs, and is starting to base a little. It probably needs more time, but this is something that I definitely want to keep on my radar. And next is GD. So this tried multiple times. It tried this day, it failed. This is the day it stopped me out. I got in this day on the 7th. Then on the 11th it stopped me out because my stop was below this candle. And now it's kind of been just trading along this area. So I mean, it might maybe the next move, if it breaks through that same level with more volume, maybe at least more than this, maybe more than 2.5 mil, might be a decent breakout buy. No feeler. Let's just add those notes. There's ITW. Oh, get rid of some of these stuff. So this day, I can't remember when, but I was watching this for a while now. But it looks fairly nice setup here. It didn't have enough volume to take this high out, but if it could break this descending downslope with high volume, might be a good breakout play. JKS, can't really see anything when I show you this, but if I zoom out a little and then a little bit more, then a little bit, well, can't see it anymore, but if you look at the weekly chart, let me set the scaling a little different. So if I set the scale a little different, then you can kind of see that somewhat of a level here, and this could potentially be inverted head and shoulders. Well, so it's like I said, it was a little hard to see on an arithmetic chart because everything's so squished down, but it looks a lot easier when you're doing logarithmic, which is kind of better if you're looking at the super longer term time frames. So it looks like a pretty nice inverted head and shoulders with a breakout potentially above what's this, 1020, 1025 or so. So just something to keep an eye on. BV, why did I like this daily chart? Okay, just, you know, a little bit of a flag on the daily. Needs more time, but I'm going to keep watching this thing. MRGE, another kind of a nice flag consolidating pattern. If you notice now, these I'm looking at a lot lower price stocks just to kind of diversify my holdings, I guess. Just seeing if I could get a lot of shares of these smaller price stocks and maybe catch some moves. I don't know, just giving this a little try. WG, had this marked up a while ago, but basically it's another pullback short play with an ad down below these areas. So this, I would try to short here as a feeler, here as a full position, and then this would be my stop. So had I done this, then I would have got triggered this day and I would still be in it. SIG, kind of like this pattern where it's a little bit of a pullback right into a bear flag right into the EMAs, and I would kind of use this as a measured move. And yeah, so you can see the measured move target is about 750 or so, give or take. So might be a interesting potential play. Suns, you see a little flag here and a pullback right to kind of the resistance area of that. So maybe a potential long above these highs. RMBS broke out of here, sort of gapped up a little bit, and probably needs more time to consolidate across here, but not looking too bad. END, I kind of see this as a potential, I guess it would be a saucer pan pattern. So, you know, my stop would definitely be below this candle, and then add above the breakout here with a measured move of about let's just say 530, 540. So if you get in here anywhere right here, you're risking like what, 10-20 cents. You add through fours for a potential move of up to here. not not too bad, risk versus reward. So might consider this trade. And that's pretty much it. Took me about 10 minutes. Took me another couple minutes to upload and post. So I'm also gonna do these charts, do a screenshot, post them on my blog on the same post just to see how long that will take me. So thank you for watching my trade ideas video, and talk to you guys again soon.